Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Audi S4. In the competitive landscape of large sports sedans, the 2024 Audi S4 emerges as a standout choice, melding potent performance, sophisticated design, and advanced technology. As the latest iteration of Audi's renowned S4 lineup, this sedan exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences without compromising on luxury or comfort. At the heart of the 2024 Audi S4 lies a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering an impressive 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S4 offers blistering acceleration and precise power delivery. With its dynamic handling characteristics and adaptive suspension, the S4 provides exceptional agility and stability, whether navigating city streets or conquering winding roads. The S4's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi's sport-tuned suspension and progressive steering ensure precise handling and responsive cornering, while the sedan's lightweight construction contributes to its nimble agility and excellent balance. The S4 features high-performance brakes, offering confident stopping power and control under varied driving conditions. Visually, the 2024 Audi S4 exudes a sporty and refined aesthetic, with its sleek design elements and distinctive S4 accents. Its exterior features a bold single-frame grille, signature LED headlights, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance capabilities. The S4 rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to personalize the S4's appearance, adding a touch of individuality. Inside the cabin, the S4 offers a luxurious and driver-centric environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The interior boasts sports seats with fine Napa leather upholstery, a flat-bottomed steering wheel with paddle shifters, and ambient lighting. The S4 is equipped with Audi's MMI infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Audi S4. The sedan comes equipped with Audi's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a top-view camera system. Additionally, the S4 offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi S4 offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the S4 promises an exhilarating driving experience that will satisfy enthusiasts and luxury car enthusiasts alike.